Hey guys, this one's about the hero's journey. The hero's journey is a three-part structure that was created by Joseph Campbell. Joseph Campbell basically, after all of his studies in folklore, mythology, and religion, said that there were three main phases of every single story ever told by man: departure, initiation, and return. You usually start off with a hero who's called to adventure, that has some sort of old mentor helping guide them through their way across the adventure, and then they have allies along the way. So they depart either the Shire, Tatooine, the Pride Lands. Think of basically every single Pixar movie or Disney movie, and then I think you'll have a running example in your head. And then after they leave the beginning of the story, they go through these trials or travels. They face temptation, they meet new allies and friends, they meet new enemies, and after all their travels and trials and all the conflicts, they gain knowledge, power, or treasure, or some sort of combination. Either the Force or magic, or they become more confident in themselves, or they become wiser, or they gain the golden fleece, or some special treasure, like a duck that lays eggs. And then after they get knowledge, power, or treasure, they come back to where they were originally from, and they either save the world, destroy it, redeem it, and sometimes they die. So, three main phases, each one with its specific parts. This is a common structure in literature that Joseph Campbell found in all of his studies. Hope that helps. If you want more information and more little details, come see me in class in room 117. Talk to you guys later. High five for learning.